If you're like me and have too many clothes and not enough space, this clothing rack will be perfect for you. This double clothing rack is all black. The rods are made of metal and the caps are plastic. And over here is perfect for anything that is hard to hang up or won't stay on a hanger. You can hang scarves, purses, belts, anything. The rack is movable with 4 wheels, and on 2 of the wheels it does have a locking device that you'll press down on both sides. You hear a little click. It's now locked in place. To make it movable, all you do is click the button up, and you can move it anywhere you'd like very easily. This offers so much space since there are 2 different racks. You're able to hang up your longer things in the back so they don't hit the ground. Overall, I think this is a great product. I love that there's 2 rods to hang everything on, especially my longer things in the back, and the space saver over here where I can hang my purses and scarves and other things that just don't stay on the hanger very well. So if you're looking for more space, something easy that's put together, I would recommend this. Thank you for watching. This was so easy to put together. No additional tools are needed. Everything clicked together very easily. The best part, this only took me a few minutes to put together. Add some finishing touches and it's done.